Python's numeric data types include integers, floats, and complex numbers. Integers are whole numbers, floats represent decimal numbers, and complex numbers consist of a real and an imaginary part. Mastering these types is crucial for performing mathematical operations and handling data efficiently in Python. Python's numeric types are crucial for mathematical operations and data manipulation. Mastering these basics is key to writing efficient programs and handling numerical data in real-world applications. Python's numeric data types include integers, floats, and complex numbers. Integers handle whole numbers with unlimited precision. Floats manage decimal numbers using 64-bit double precision, ideal for measurements. Complex numbers, with real and imaginary parts, are crucial for engineering and scientific computations. These types empower Python for diverse arithmetic and data analysis tasks. Integers in Python represent whole numbers without decimals, offering unlimited precision. They handle positive, negative, or zero values without overflow errors in Python 3. Commonly used for counting, array indexing, and loop iterations. Examples include age equals 16, temperature equals -10, and population equals 8 billion. Python supports large integers, ensuring reliable calculations. Floats represent decimal numbers using a 64-bit double precision format, adhering to the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers 754 standard. They offer 15 to 17 decimal digits of precision, ideal for measurements, scientific calculations, and financial data. Examples include pi as 3.14159, a small negative like -0.001, and scientific notation such as 1.5 times 10 to the 10th power. Use type to verify float types. Complex numbers in Python are structured as a plus bj, where a is the real part and b is the imaginary part. Create them using real plus image j, or the complex function. Access components with .real and .image. They're vital in fields like electrical engineering and quantum mechanics. Example: z1 equals 2 plus 3j, z2 equals complex 5 minus 2. Python's built-in functions, int, float, and complex, allow seamless conversion between numeric types. These conversions enable precise arithmetic operations, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation, ensuring type-appropriate results. Understanding these conversions is crucial for effective numeric computations in Python. Creating integers and floats in Python can be done through direct assignment or conversion. Assign integers with x equals 42 or convert from strings using int of 100. Floats can be assigned with y equals 3.14 or converted from integers using float open parenthesis 42 close parenthesis. Python supports binary, octal, and hexadecimal integer creation, and floats have double precision storage.